Ayatana Goa team, we have came to celebrate World Ocean Day, and it is our truly responsibility to make the ocean clean always. As a lot of tourism department comes over here, a lot of throughout the year, a lot of people comes over here as a tourism place. It is our quite responsibility to get the area clean always. And as a part of the responsible tourism, we celebrate World Ocean Day, Environmental Day, and all the environment days so that the area is always clean and to maintain the hygiene perspectives. Thank you so much. And on behalf of Azurabai Ayatana Goa team, we always support the local tourism department to make the area always clean, hygiene, and to maintain the sustainability of the area.
My name is Rajiv Kumar, and today we are celebrating Oceans Day as a part of the responsible tourism. We have clean beach and all is part of the responsible tourism and cleanliness. We maintain the cleanliness and hygiene. That's it. Thank you.
Yes. मैं उमेश फ्रॉम अजूराबाई आयतना गोवा मर्जिम से हूँ। आज वर्ल्ड ओशन डे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए मैं और मेरा टीम एक साथ आस्पिन बीच में क्लीन करने के लिए आए थे, और पिछले हफ्ते भी हमने एनवायरनमेंट डे सेलिब्रेट किए थे, और पूरा ड्राइव हमारा जो रोड होटल का दोनों तरफ रोड हमने पूरा प्लास्टिक क्लीन किए थे।
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर।